Hi guys, this is Luna from HANTENCNC. Unleash the power of precision cleaning. Introduce the latest breakthrough in post-laser technology. Our 2000-watt post-laser cleaning machine. This isn't just an upgrade, it's the latest evolution in post-laser industry. Designed for the most demanding industrial environments, the machine delivers exceptional performance what is matters most. Our clients are already achieve outstanding results in aerospace, automotive manufacture, and more. Today, let's take a closer look at the machine game changer. Let's start with this structure. We designed this machine for robust mobility and protection. About industrial logistics, the cabinet features dedicated 4 bays for easy transport in busy factories. A unit lifting, integrated lift rings always for safe crane lifting, making outside installation easy and convenient. 5-inch spring canters ensure smooth ground movement. Those canters have excellent shock absorption, protection, internal couplement, even when moving on uneven surface. Not the top of the equipment, we designed removable dedicated straw piece for the laser cleaning head. This ensures your most important tools safe and secure during transport or when it is in use. To ensure reliability during long-term operation, we have integrated 2 large heat-dissipant vents on the side. This guarantees optimal thermal management, keep the machine operation at a long temperature even under high loads. Now let's delve deeper. At the heart of this system is the GPT laser source. As a true MOPA laser source, it offers unparalleled pulse control. Remove contaminants will maximize substrate protection. GPT is renowned for its stability and high performance, earned the trust of customers worldwide. This below the laser is a water chiller. It keeps the laser at a safe temperature. This ensures good cooling and stable performance. When you receive the machine, you must fill the chiller with pure water or distilled water. Don't use the tap water. The cleaning head itself serves a hub for human-machine interaction. It features an integrated display screen. Operators can now adjust the parameters directly on the cleaning head in real time, without need to return to the main control cabinet. This saves time and input efficiency. To ensure perfect cleaning results, we will equip the cleaning head with 2 air outlets. Those 2 outlets form an air curtain, effectively blow away dust and smoke during the cleaning process. Our system is built of versatility. It supports a wide of adjustment parameters. With 9 different cleaning modes, you can easily switch between jobs, where you need deep rust removal or dedicated painting stropping. The machine comes preloaded with optimized parameters for various applications, so you can start working immediately. You can also save your own custom percent for future jobs. To serve our global customers, the software supports customized language options, ensure a user-friendly experience no matter where you are in the world. Finally, let's see the results. From heavy industry rust to precision mold cleaning, the 2000-watt pulse laser delivers superior speed and a flawless finish.